Another thing is, send salawat on the Prophet ﷺ. Because when you send salawat on him once, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala sends 10 blessings on you, 10 mercies on you, 10 sins are erased from you, 10 ranks are raised. And as we learn in a hadith, that the Prophet ﷺ told Ubay ibn Ka'b, when you will send salawat on me, for the duration of the time that you spend making dua, then Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will suffice you against all of your worldly concerns. Meaning Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will take care of all of your worldly matters. Anything that worries you, that makes you sad, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will take care of that. So increase in sending salawat on the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. And I would encourage you, make a list for yourself. These are the things I have to do when I feel down. And share these tips with people in your family, with your friends, especially someone who you know struggles with, such feelings. That increase in the dhikr of Allah, increase in sending salawat on the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam.